All right, in this video I'm going over the bottom of page 231 in the Go Math textbook. But notice, again, I brought my two charts back because I know I'm going to be using them. They're very helpful. Okay, Rowan used 9 yards of ribbon to wrap gifts. How many inches did he use? So we're going to be using yards and inches. So this conversion factor right here, 1 yard is 36 inches. And so 9 yards is how many inches? Well, to get to 9, I have to multiply by 9. So I multiply the bottom by 9 to get my inches. Notice yards on top, inches on bottom. Okay. So 36 times 9. 9 times 4 is 54. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 32. So 324 inches. Right, number 2, one species of frog can grow to a maximum length of 12.4 millimeters. Well, I'm on millimeters, so I circle my millimeters. What is the maximum length of this frog species in centimeters? So I'm going to centimeters. So I'm going over 1. And I'm going to the left. So I write my number 12.4. I move over to the left 1. And my new number becomes 1.24, and that is centimeters. Okay. Let's go to the next one. The height of the Empire State Building measured to the top of the lightning rod is approximately 443.1 meters. What is this height in hectometers? So I'm dealing with meters. I want to go to hectometers. So I have to go over 1, 2, and it's to the left. So again, I write my number 443.1, the number I started with in meters, and I just move my decimal to the left twice, 1, 2. My new number becomes 4.431. So 4.431 hectometers, HM. All right, let's go on to the next one. A snail moves at a speed of 2.5 feet per minute. How many yards will the snail have moved in half an hour? Okay, so it's doing 2.5 per minute. We want to know how many feet it will go in 30 minutes. So I got to multiply by 30 to get 30. And so now I know what to multiply the top by. 30 times 2.5. Here, let me rewrite that so they're better lined up. I have no numbers to the right of the decimal here. I have one number to the right of the decimal here, so I know when I get my answer, I'm going to move the decimal over 1. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Done with the 5. 0 placeholder. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Add that up. Come to the back, move my decimal over 1, 75. So 75 feet. All right, I'm going to erase some of my work. Again, you never need to. You have your scratch paper, use it. Raise your hand if you have any questions. Okay, compare. So 32 feet to yards, your choice. You can either change both of them to feet and compare them, or you can change both of them to yards and compare them. Now, here's where understanding your math facts comes in handy. I'm going to change both of these to feet. Why? Because I can see really quickly 3 will not go into 32 evenly. So if I try to change them both to yards, I'm going to get a decimal, and I don't want that. I want to make my job easier, not harder. So I'm going to leave this side as feet, and I'm going to change this to feet. So how many feet are in 1 yard? Tells me right here. 3 feet are in 1 yard, so I multiply that by 3, and I get 33 feet. So 33 feet is greater than 32 feet, or if we're reading the sentence starting from the left, 32 feet is less than 11 yards, because 11 yards is equal to 33 feet. Which is more than 32. Okay, let's go on to number 11. comparing centimeters to meters. Okay, so I'm starting, let's just start with where they start us, right? Makes sense, start where they start us. We're going centimeters to meters. Okay, so we have to move the decimal over 1, 2. So we started with 537. Start with where they start you. Move the decimal over to the left twice, 1, 2. So my new number is 5.37 meters. And we can see, yep, 5.73 meters. So these two are equivalent to each other. All right. I'll go ahead and let you do number 12 on your own. Once you've done it, don't hesitate, raise your hand. I want to see how you did. Okay, check your answer with me. See if you're on the right track. Okay. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.